For my latest 3D modeling project on Nomad Sculpt, I chose to design the Minions. So my daughter really loves the movies, and I thought it would be kind of easy, kind of fun. So I started with this one that I didn't even know who it was. So I really liked the reference picture I found with the hands almost touching the floor. I thought it would be funny and easy to print with some little support here. And it was really fun to design. I had some challenges, of course, like the first print actually broke. The hands were too fragile, the arms too thin, and then I fixed it. And this design requires support for the hands and also for the glasses, but it was really good. The print came out really nicely, and then of course I painted it. Then after I had this base, it was easier to make the other ones. I found out that this one is Davy, and I really wanted to make the 3 main characters of the Minions move. So I made Kevin next. Kevin has a longer body, but I could reuse most of the stuff. I remade the arms. And then this is Stuart. So I really like that it had this a bit of the tooth showing up. And this one I reused the first, did some changes, and then I remade the glasses to be only one eye. And then finally, my favorite is Bob. My daughter insisted that I should make Bob. So I looked for a reference image that I could design and print without support. So from the 4 designs, this is the only one that prints without supports, with arms up. And also I made sure the glasses are a little bit up so that it doesn't need support material. And it was so much fun to paint these models. I really loved it. This is my favorite still, Bob, the different colored eyes. And so for painting, I primed and painted with the Army Painter paints. I used War Paints Fanatic. This is the yellow. I used Warped Yellow. So that's the Minion tone. And then some gunmetal for the eyes, ultramarine blue for the jeans, and then I did a dry brushing with a lighter color to get this kind of a jeans effect. You can see I did a lot of dry brushing on the clothes to get the jeans effect. And yes, then matte varnish, and it's done. So to help also, I did use something for the first time. I used this masking fluids. It's really helpful to protect some areas. I already had the models fully painted, and the jeans and the bodies, so I wanted to do the dry brush, but then it would make a mess on the yellow, the bodies. So I used the mask around here to be able to do the dry brushing without ruining the body of the models. So yeah, that's that. It was fun and it was really nice and rewarding. So all these models are available for free on my Printables profile. You can download and print them and then paint them yourself. See you next time. Hope you enjoy that.